Today's process of cutting leather for automotive interiors requires state-of-the-art die cutting technology combined with old-world skill and attention to detail. Optimized material efficiency, along with flawless finished parts, high production capacity, and simple processing is best achieved through the use of whole hide cutting on either a roller press or beam press. Because each leather hide is unique to the animal it was harvested from, every hide is first physically inspected for flaws such as scars, bug bites, scratches, and holes, and is also graded for quality to determine which sections are best suited for the different areas of the automotive interior. These are known as quality zones. The flaws are marked on the hide so as to be avoided when the hide is nested for material efficiency, and the quality zones are marked to match the corresponding areas identified on the cutting dies. After inspection and marking, the hides are moved to the cutting area where trained nesting teams, each working in their own layup and picking area, begin the process of cutting by placing a hide onto a polypropylene cutting pad. Once the hide is positioned onto the cutting pad, precision cutting dies from Ontario Die International are retrieved from their holding area and placed onto the hide in positions that maximize the yield while avoiding the flaws. Each die is crafted from the finest cutting steel, punches, and bracing stock available. Great care is taken to produce a highly accurate tool that matches the customer-supplied CAD data or physical pattern to within acceptable automotive tolerances. Dies can be made with an optional clear polycarbonate faceplate installed that allows for good visibility and easy positioning of the dies without the risk of damage to the leather. This feature also improves worker efficiency and reduces fatigue. Ontario Die's tools are engineered with specific bevel configurations and bending techniques that allow the dies to be placed next to each other such that the cutting edges are less than 1 millimeter apart. This critical feature is exclusive to ODI and maximizes material yield well beyond what can be achieved by any computer-controlled cutters. After all of the dies have been placed to achieve the optimal material efficiency, the polypropylene cutting pad, together with the leather hide and cutting dies, is moved onto the press directly under a second polypropylene cover pad. This second pad is pneumatically lowered onto the cutting dies and leather and assures even cutting while eliminating any potential damage to the die. At this point, the entire package of dies, leather, and polypropylene is moved into the cutting area of the press, where the dies cleanly and accurately cut out the required parts. When the cutting is completed, everything is automatically returned to its original position. The cover pad is removed, and the lower cutting pad with the dies and cut parts is returned to the layup and picking station, where die removal and part retrieval is carried out. Because the layup and picking stations are offline, the press is kept available for more production and can easily accept hides from up to 8 or more individual stations. This results in a production capacity for a single press that is many times greater than that which can be achieved with multiple automated cutters. And as the number of offline stations in use is adjusted to optimize irregular production needs, both the exceptional accuracy and the superior material yield are maintained. For the best in quality, throughput, yield, and overall cost effectiveness, there is simply no better method for automotive leather cutting than die cutting with dies from Ontario Die International.